Hi guys, this is Em from iWire HQ, and today I'm going to show you how to hunt for mergers for Grimm's new upcoming challenge, the Hunt 2. And in this example, I'm going to work with the cell that we had for Grimm's first merger challenge, the Hunt. As you can see, this cell is kind of funky looking. There's definitely some branches that are crossing across in the incorrect areas. And I'm going to show you how to think about the cell in the overview and find those mergers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to click and drag. And that's just going to rotate us about where we have clicked on our point. And as you can see, I can look at the cell from the side, and you can see that there are some branches that are kind of coming up off the main plane here that just look a little suspicious and such. Now the next thing we're going to do is, in order to better move around the cell, you're going to right click and just drag, and that's just going to move the cell across your screen. So let's see here. This spot kind of looks a little weird. It seems to be a slightly thicker branch. Let's have a zoom, and we're just going to scroll right in. That's going to zoom us into the cell. And now I'm just going to right click and drag, and that's going to move me up. So I'm going to focus on this spot because this branch seems kind of short and doesn't look quite like the other spindly branches that are in the rest of the cell. So we're going to zoom in on that. But as you can see, I'm kind of zooming in past it. So remember to just kind of center that into your screen. Now when I zoom in, as you can see, I kind of jump past it. There's no way for me to really, look at that point right here that looks suspicious. So we're going to just go ahead and Alt click, and that's going to center me right into that area. I'm going to just zoom in, and yeah, sure enough, that does look like a merger. It's going at right angles, and this branch definitely belongs to some other cell. So once again, I'm going to zoom in, get nice and close, right in at that spot where I think the merger is occurring. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type debug into my chat box, and that's going to pop up the coordinates that we're located at here. And now I'm going to message NecumTest, which is Necum's bot, and he'll tell you whether or not this is indeed a merger and you've submitted it for the challenge. So I'm going to type in message NecumTest, and then I'm just going to copy and paste these coordinates right here into my chat box. And NecumTest has responded. Now he's telling me that I didn't find the right merger, but we're working in a totally different cell than the one that he's programmed to find for the merger challenge. So good luck, and I hope that helps.